If you want to stay up to date with what's happening over here at D&D Sports, check us out on all our different social media. Hey, welcome back to another week of What's New in the RC Shop, D&D Sports fans, and I'm not sure what happened. If you check out this picture right here, only one of the two boxes that I had ordered today got delivered. So let's open it up. I'm not sure. We'll figure out what happened to the other box. Let's open it up and see what we got today. So, looks like there's only two things in the box. We'll pull them out. All right, guys, here it is. Just two things in the box. This is the new unassembled kit for the Stampede 4x4. And what I mean by new, it does come with all the electronics. So that is a new option from Traxxas. All right, we'll figure out where the other box went and have at least one more order coming in this week to try to make this at least worth watching. Hey guys, the missing box from Monday's order has arrived. Let's open it up and see what's all inside. And it is all parts. Since we got the trucks in yesterday's box, this would all be the parts that were along with that order. So we'll dump them out on the table and check them out. All right, guys, so here's everything in that box. We'll start right over here. We got some slash chassis. We got the regular, and we have the LCG chassis. Looks like we might have got 3 regulars, 1 gray, 2 black, and one of the LCG. We got 3, make that 4 of the 8080s. Those are the inner fenders for your TRX4s. Got some more MAXX stuff restocking. Everybody that was kind of grumbling about the drive shafts of the MAXX, well, 8050X is a complete metal drive shaft set. Got some more diff lube in. 8026X is the rock lights for your TRX4. Got the Mercedes-Benz wheels in. We also got 2 of the 8829, which is the chassis rails for the TRX6. All right, that's everything for today. We have at least one more order coming this week. Last order we received for the week, guys. We got 1 box today. And some packaging cleanups, of course. I see some orange MAXX parts in there. Looks like there's another orange MAXX body. Let's empty the box and see what's in there. All right, before I dump them all out on the table, I wanted you guys to check that out. That is one big load of parts. It's heavy. I think that box weighed, all right, I had to check it. That box weighed 9 pounds, so I had 3 bodies, and then the rest is all parts. So here's everything. Across the back, we got an orange MAXX body, we got a clear MAXX body, and the red. And over here you can see my most popular sellers so far for the upgrade parts have been orange and blue. If you look at any of my other videos, those seem to be the ones that we're ordering the most of. So I had my MAXX out and I broke one part on it, which was this 8932. And it appears that is the most broken piece so far. So that is the C-hub on the front A-arms. Some of the other parts you see laying here are for the TRX4 and the TRX6. This is the inner fenders for a TRX6. We also have the rear axle housing for the TRX6. All right, guys, that is it for the week. And as always, please like and subscribe to the video. If you are new to the channel, turn that little bell on so you get notified every week when we release what's new in the RC shop. Thanks for watching. Are you looking to upgrade your Traxxas MAXX? Check out this video right here. There's still time for you to get registered and win.